In the 1990s, 4Life founders David and Bianca Lisenby made a decision that revolutionized how millions of people around the world support their health. David knew that the immune system played a crucial role in good health and started researching ingredients to support the immune system. When he came across transfer factors in his research, he knew he was onto something important and had the vision to bring 4Life transfer factor products to the market.
As 4Life has grown, so is our opportunity to reach out and touch the lives of others. Today, 4Life products enhance the health of individuals and families in more than 50 countries. Now we'd like to show you how we make 4Life Transfer Factor so we can take it to the world, from the farm to your family.
Transfer factors were first discovered decades ago by distinguished immunologist Dr. H. Sherwood Lawrence. Dr. Lawrence, who was called an immunology pioneer by the New York Times, was highly credentialed in his field. Dr. Lawrence determined that transfer factors were derived from immune cells. In brief, he was able to demonstrate that he could transfer the factors that delivered immune knowledge from host to recipient. It was later discovered that these messenger molecules are universally effective and are not species-specific. David's research into transfer factors and the immune system led to 4Life's first product, Transfer Factor Classic, from cow colostrum. He later challenged 4Life's research and development team to discover another source for 4Life transfer factor products, chicken egg yolks. This discovery and the combination of 4Life transfer factor from both colostrum and egg yolk created an entire line of exclusive products. 4Life's exclusive ingredients include Ultrafactor XF from cow colostrum and Ovofactor from chicken egg yolk.
What we know today is that transfer factors play a crucial role in supplying knowledge to the immune system. These molecules are made by the immune system for the immune system. They support your immune system by teaching it how to recognize, respond to, and remember health threats.
4Life partners with dairy farms all over the United States to harvest cow colostrum. The majority of these dairy farms are family-owned businesses that have been handed down from generation to generation.
Cow colostrum is an essential component of 4Life's transfer factor products and acts as the face of 4Life Ultrafactor XF. You know, the dairy farms that we partner with care about the quality of the products they produce, just like we do here at 4Life.
4Life only uses Grade A certified dairies. All dairy farmers associated with 4Life are in compliance with the Pasteurized Milk Ordinance guidelines by the Food and Drug Administration of the United States, which addresses sanitation, husbandry, and other quality controls. Dr. Richard Bennett, a member of the 4Life Health Sciences Advisory Board, regularly visits the dairy farms to inspect the colostrum collection process and to ensure the implementation of 4Life's exacting standards of 4Life transfer factor production.
The cows on 4Life's partner dairy farms live in a low-stress environment that includes a regular milking schedule, computer-monitored nourishment, and food that's tested for quality and quantity. Creating a low-stress environment leads to greater production and higher quality. The cows have not been treated with any growth hormones. The colostrum 4Life uses is every bit as wholesome as the milk you drank this morning.
Dairymen extract several liters of colostrum from each colostrum-producing cow for use in 4Life's products. About a fourth of the available colostrum is extracted. The remaining 3/4 is used to provide essential nourishment from the cow to her newborn calf. The dairy farms birth cows all year round, which ensures a constant, fresh, and bioactive source of colostrum. The colostrum used in 4Life transfer factor is taken from the cow's first milking and collected within 16 hours after birth. This process ensures maximum potency of the beneficial colostral compounds.
People frequently ask me, do these young calves get enough colostrum? And the answer is they most certainly do. They get more than enough colostrum to support their healthy immune function.
After collection, colostrum is quickly frozen for storage until it's sent for processing. It's important to quickly freeze the colostrum to maintain the bioactive components Colostrum is then transported in refrigerated trucks to the processing facility. All containers are sanitized before and after the process to ensure safety and to preserve product integrity. Each container is marked with a lot code that can be traced back to each farm. From the large freezer, the colostrum is transferred to a stainless steel tank where it's thawed, mixed, and tested again for quality. When the colostrum reaches a proprietary temperature, it's filtered to remove any impurities. Next, the fat is taken out of the colostrum using a separator. Now it's ready to be flash pasteurized in a closed system to help prevent any contamination from external sources.
Each lot of 4Life Transfer Factor is tested throughout the process to ensure that the quality meets our stringent requirements. Our strict standards mean that you and your family can place your trust in our products.
Our partner facilities adhere to high standards for cleanliness and sanitation. All employees are trained to follow rigorous quality controls.
4Life follows current Good Manufacturing Practices, or CGMPs, which are enforced by the Food and Drug Administration. Our partner facilities are independently certified and highly credentialed so that we can bring you the highest quality product available.
Good manufacturing practices provide a set of principles that must be strictly observed during the manufacturing process. 4Life's compliance with these federally mandated guidelines means that we continually validate our process to ensure a high-quality product for you.
Next, the colostrum is ultra-filtered using a proprietary process that is completely unique to 4Life. The result? Pure concentrated 4Life transfer factor. In order to facilitate the drying process, the concentrated 4Life transfer factor proteins and other peptides are added back to a specified amount of colostrum. The next step is to remove the liquid from the mixture using a low heat, low pressure, indirect steam drying process. This process preserves maximum bioactivity and maintains the integrity of 4Life transfer factor molecules. The result is a fine, free-flowing powder that we call Ultrafactor XF. The colostrum brings a wealth of benefits with additional immune compounds to the finished product.
We hold both a technique patent for the extraction process of transfer factors from chicken egg yolk and a method patent for the exclusive combination of transfer factors from chicken egg yolk and cow colostrum.
4Life's proprietary patents help protect your business. 4Life's process for obtaining OvoFactor, which is 4Life transfer factor proteins and peptides from chicken egg yolk, is next. The poultry industry operates under the regulations and standards of the United States Department of Agriculture. Hormones are not fed to poultry in the United States, and federal law requires that all egg products be pasteurized. The egg process begins with farm-fresh eggs being safely transported to a partner processing facility. Eggs are carefully cleaned and sanitized, with quality control checks being made throughout the process. High-speed machines automatically break and separate shells, yolks, and whites. Eggs are pasteurized, mixed, and refrigerated. This prepares the yolks for 4Life's proprietary ingredient processes.
As you've seen throughout this video, we test for quality in every step of the process. We ensure that each batch of product meets the highest quality standards. Our testing guarantees the potency and purity of our products. This protects both your health and your business.
Once product has gone through the filtering and drying process, it is ready to be shipped to 4Life's manufacturing facility. Here, the ingredients Ultrafactor XF and OvoFactor are blended with 4Life's proprietary NanoFactor.
The formula for every batch of 4Life transfer factor is controlled through a master manufacturing record. The master manufacturing record is like a recipe that allows us to make a consistent and high-quality product in every batch and assures you that the product you sell will always meet the same precise standards your customers deserve.
4Life stands behind every product we sell, certifying the identity, purity, strength, and composition of every 4Life transfer factor product. The manufacturing process begins with receipt of each raw material. Each ingredient is tested and then weighed and measured according to the product formula. After all ingredients are verified, they are mixed according to procedure for a specific amount of time and speed to ensure product uniformity. 4Life's research and development team then tests the ingredient blend to make sure the product will encapsulate properly. 4Life is one of few companies to have invested in the equipment to take this extra step in the quality process. The 4Life Transfer Factor powder is released for encapsulation, where the precise amount of product is placed in each capsule.
We monitor the controls through the encapsulation process so that each capsule is within the correct measurement of product according to the specification. This leaves no doubt that you get the same amount every time.
All results are documented and reviewed. The 4Life Transfer Factor capsules are placed in clean containers which have been inspected. The bottles are heat sealed and labeled and sealed with a tamper-resistant seal. A unique lot code is applied to each bottle. This code allows us to trace the product all the way through the manufacturing and distribution process.
We hold all products until distribution so that we can ensure the identity, purity, strength, and composition of every 4Life product.
4Life's dedication to scientific advancements also includes suspension of transfer factor peptides in a liquid dietary supplement, 4Life Transfer Factor Rio Vita. Rio Vita is the only juice beverage on the market that's packed with both antioxidants and one-of-a-kind 4Life Transfer Factor support. Obtaining 4Life Transfer Factor from cow colostrum and chicken egg yolk is made possible through 4Life's continuing commitment to innovation in the field of transferceutical science.
It's an honor for me to be a part of this truly amazing revolution and to play a role in the advancement of transferceutical science. You know, it's a testament to David Lisaby's vision that he recognizes significance of the transfer factor research that served as a springboard to launch 4Life. And it's an honor for me personally to be a part of this exceptional company and to help lead the scientific charge as we continue the advancement of transferceutical science.
We will continue to innovate new products and set exemplary standards for all 4Life products.
4Life Transfer Factor comes from the family farm to your family. The health of your family is our #1 concern.
When you purchase products to support your health, you want only the best. And with 4Life Transferceutical products, that's exactly what you get. From the farm to your front door, 4Life provides you with the very best immune system support and nothing less than the highest quality products.
When you join 4Life, you become part of a company that offers a product and an opportunity that has the potential to change people's lives all over the world.
We own Transfer Factor, and when you partner with us, so do you.